Liberium Crypto, the social trading platform that's making trading easy for everyone. Let's have a look at a few benefits. First of all, you keep all of your crypto in your own exchange. It's not a promise to pay where you pay someone and waiting to get paid. Your crypto stays in your control. No matter what time, no matter when, if you want to take your crypto out, you're able to. No need to wait for someone to pay you. 100% of all trading profits goes into your own pocket. There is no profit sharing. You're following a pro trader. It's not a robot. It's not AI. It's a real live trader trading. Every time a trader puts in the trade for themselves, the trader mirrors on your side. When the trader closes a trade and profit, it closes on your side. And a lot of the traders don't close trades if there's not in profit. But since you're in control, it gives you the option to close a trade when you want, get out of a trade when you want, and if you don't like the system, you just delete your API keys. There's no monthly subscription. It's working on trade packages. You're buying trade packages with trade tokens, and every time a new trade gets opened, one of the tokens gets used. If you don't have funds and can't trade, you're not losing trade tokens. It's only when a trade confirms on your side. So let's have a look at a bit of interesting news today before we have a look and see what's been happening in the markets. Bitcoin slides as the US inflation exceeds estimates at 8.3%. The latest consumer price index print came in 20 basis points lower than last month's 8.5% print, but surpasses expectations of a cool off to 8.1%. Key takeaways: the US inflation hit 8.3% in August. The latest consumer price index print has revealed the price of goods rose 0.1% on a month-on-month basis. The print exceeded expectations of a cool-off of 8.1%. Markets reacted in a panic fashion, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum tumbling hard immediately after the data dropped. Bitcoin and Ethereum were hit hard as the inflation data dropped. US inflation print surpasses expectations. US inflation has decreased from a second consecutive month. The Bureau of Labor Statistics published the latest consumer price index report Tuesday, showing that the price of goods rose by 8.3% on a yearly basis in August. The 8.3 figure exceeded economists' expectations of a cool off to 8.1%. It marks a 20 basis points decline against July's number. The CPI rose 0.1% on a month-on-month basis. According to the report, rising sheltered food and medical care costs were the biggest contributions to the all items increased gas line prices. Meanwhile, saw a decline. Markets reacted to the print in a typical panic fashion. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, the Nasdaq futures all tumble ahead of the US market open. Bitcoin also suffered a sharp decline in response to the print, sliding by 3.3% to around $21,604 at rest time. Ethereum was hit harder, declining 5.8% to $1,643. The sell-off are likely a result of the print surpassing expectations of a 40 basis point decline. Inflation has been a major concern for households in the United States and across the world this year, as countries battle rising prices across the board. One of the major contribution factors has been an increase in energy prices, which is thanks partly to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. As many countries have sanctioned Russia over the war, President Putin has leveraged the country's rich energy supplies against the West, leaving Europe on the cusp of its biggest energy crisis in decades. Now with the CPI coming in worse than expected, what does this mean for the interest rate? Are we going to see a 75 basis point hike? Or is this pushing it beyond that to 100 basis points? Now, if the 100 basis points hit, we're going to see a massive pullback in all markets. We've seen some pullbacks in the current markets. As we can see, a lot of trades are triggering on my side. But let's have a look at what's been happening on our BTC pair trading. Looking at Cardano, we saw a flash drop. As we go through all of these coins, most of them is probably going to show us a flash drop. Let's go to a smaller chart to make it much more easier to see. As we can see, look at that candlestick. Flash drop up and down, not sure where to go. Looking at Litecoin, Litecoin pumped and then dropped. The market is not sure what to happen or what's going to happen. Looking at our BTC XRP, we've seen a nice pump from XRP. We're seeing the pumps on the BTC side, but I can guarantee you if you look at the USD side, we're going to see some big drops. And that is one key benefit trading both USDT and BTC pairs against each other. If we're looking at Litecoin, we can see Litecoin has dropped on the USD side, and on the BTC side, if we go to Litecoin, we can see it as pumped. So it's a good opportunity to diversify between the two. But let's go and see what's happened the last 2 weeks since our previous update. What has happened with the trading? Since the beginning of the month, our last video was on the 1st of September. Since then, we've closed a total of 26 trades with an average of 6.98% profit per trade. Now, if we bring out our calculator, if we trade $30, which is the minimum recommended, at 6.98%, we would have made $2.09 profit per trade. We've closed a total of 26 trades. That's $54 profits trading the minimum trade size. If you traded $100 a trade, 6.98, that's $6.98 profits. Trading 6 closed trades, that's $181 profit. If you traded bigger trade sizes at 6.98%, that gives us $34.90 per trade and a total profit of $907.40. We're not doing percentages, we're giving you an indication of possibility according to trade sizes. The reason why everyone's account is different and everyone is trading a different trade size. So this is mere indication of the possibilities that's been happening. But the BTC trading on Liberium Crypto has been going well, and we've been gaining profits at 6.98% per trade. Leave me your thoughts about the trading and let me know how you're structuring your account. Will Financials is having their pre-sale on the Liberium Launchpad. But what is Will Financial? Will Financial is a financial ecosystem to grow, manage and preserve wealth. A unique crypto project with the most innovative decentralized financial ecosystem that's going to revolutionize the blockchain space. The 𝙏𝙼𝙖𝙑 will serve as the first step to your new financial future. Now, the Will Financial pre-sale has a unique tokenomics, and it's one, in my opinion, not to be missed. It's a long-run project with a lot of potential. If we're looking at the Liberium, the pre-sale of the UOF token is moving on nicely. 1 million tokens and about 38% of tokens sold already. You're getting 4 different tokens for the price of 1. Now we have a giveaway. Everyone who's joined the Liberium Launchpad through my link in the description and bought tokens, Will Financial will double the amount of tokens you've bought up to the total of 5,000 tokens. Now everyone who's signed up, we've put your name in the wheel, we're going to spin. The name it falls on will double your tokens up to the amount of 5,000 tokens. But if you haven't bought yet, remember, 0 can't be doubled. 𝙏𝙼𝙖𝙠 The email address is down in the description. Email and claim your prize because we will be doubling your tokens if you've bought any. Have a good one and enjoy the extreme crypto gains.